Today, I'll show you how to add a clean film style noise effect to your video using CapCut Mobile. This is perfect if you want that vintage, textured, cinematic look. Let's jump right in. First, import your video and tap on it to select it. Now, head to FX from the bottom toolbar. Tap on Video Effects and remember, in CapCut Mobile, the effect applies directly onto the clip, not as a separate layer. Next, open the Screen tab, scroll until you find the effect called Noise and tap on it to apply. You'll instantly see film grain appear on your video. To fine-tune it, tap on the effect again to open the adjustment, Noise slider. This controls how strong or subtle the grain looks. Drag it right to make the noise heavier and more visible. Drag it left to keep it soft and minimal. Adjust until you get the perfect cinematic texture for your edit. And that's it. That's how you add a noise effect to your video in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.